Hey, welcome back CQR fans. Once again, we're at Vernon Motorsports in Vernon BC, Canada. And if you thought you knew Arctic Cat, you're gonna want to stick around and see this one. This is a 2022 Arctic Cat Alterra 600. It is completely redesigned. You won't believe it. Stick around. So as I said before, this thing is completely redesigned. A better frame, better welds in the frame, better metal for the frame, a completely redesigned engine, better exhaust placement. It is an amazing machine. Arctic Cat has definitely upped their game, and I don't know, maybe the other manufacturers might be following suit with some of these ideas. So this guy is, again, a single cylinder that's liquid cooled, an actual 600cc. It's got a CV Tech Trail Block CVT transmission, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, electric activation, electronic fuel injection as well, your usual high, low, neutral, reverse, and park on the gear shift. So it has independent suspension all the way around. It's dual A-arm with 46 centimeters or 18 inches of wheel travel in the front, and a trailing arm suspension in the rear with 46 centimeters or 18 inches of wheel travel in the rear as well. It's got 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes, a dual piston caliper in the front, single piston caliper in the rear, and you have a foot operated rear brake. And your parking brake is basically the park in the transmission. And this thing will come with some sweet wheels and tires. I am so impressed. They're the Maxxis Bighorns. They're 27 by 9 by 14 in the front and 27 by 11 by 14 in the rear. And you got some wicked wicked aluminum rims that go with it as well. So your overall length is going to be 218 centimeters or 86 inches. Your overall width is going to be 124 centimeters or 48 inches. Your overall height is going to be 129 centimeters or 51 inches. Your overall weight is going to be 387 kilograms or 854 pounds. Your ground clearance is going to be 31 centimeters or 12¼ inches. That's huge. I don't think there's anybody else on the market quad-wise right now that does that kind of lift. And you got a standard 2-inch receiver on the rear. It's going to have the dual halogen headlights in the front with LED accents. You got single LED brake light in the rear. Once again, I would probably upgrade those to an LED headlight if you're going to do a lot of night riding. It'd be a huge difference. As you can see, it comes with its own winch and the front bumper. Of course, it'll have its multifunction digital gauging as it usually does. It is electric start and a 12-month warranty here in Canada, which is pretty cool. Your standard accessories are the over-molded front and rear racks, the premium front bumper. It's got tow hooks. It's got a 3,500-pound Warren winch and operator accessible storage, which is really cool. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a game changer. The guys here at Vernon Motorsports are wowed by this machine. They can't believe the changes that Arctic Cat has done. This is not your typical Arctic Cat. I'm telling you. Let me show you. Okay, got that seat off. Check out this brand new engine. This is your cylinder. It's facing the back. Here's your spark plug. Here's your oil fill. Okay, I don't want to take this side off a bit here, but it's a little bit cumbersome. But your oil filter is accessible right there. Your battery is right there. Your dipstick is right at the bottom. Everything is right here. Your exhaust is in the middle of the machine. It practically goes straight out the back. Much more efficient exhaust. Tool pouch as usual. Your gas tank is actually below everything. So now you're going to have a much lower center of gravity. See, there's your gas cap there, and there's your belt. Your belt and the engine is basically at the back of the bike. So now, when you tromp on this thing, it'll grab and it shoots you out. It's incredible the amount of power the 600 has. It's quite efficient. It's extremely comfortable. As I said, game changer. For a while there, I thought Arctic Cat was just gonna shrivel up and die because they just seemed to be out of it. But they came back stronger than ever, and the more serious contender than they've ever been. And it's their 60th anniversary. I often wondered why, in the last little bit, why Arctic Cat hadn't been improving, because they had joined forces with Textron there, a huge manufacturing conglomerate. But they finally put their heads together and they come through with an amazing machine. If you want to get into ATVing, this is a serious machine to do it with. Arctic Cat is no longer the Arctic Cat we knew. So here's your ECM. Here's your throttle body. It's nice and high off the ground. So you'll be able to go through quite a bit of water before flooding it. And like I said, here's your piston. It's facing the back. So your center of gravity is completely changed now. This thing will be much more sure-footed, much better frame with better welds. It is completely redesigned from the bottom up. Once again, guys, thank you so much for all your support. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. This is getting real. This is so much fun. It's so exciting. So appreciate you being here. If you're in town, come and check these guys out. Vernon Motorsports in Vernon BC, Canada. They're on Highway 97, just on the outskirts of Vernon, closer towards Armstrong. Fantastic people. I've dealt with them quite a bit now. Ryan is always getting parts for me, and I've gotten some service done here on my machine. I'm just about to buy a side-by-side off of them too, if Yamaha can get their crap in gear and get some machines on the road. But incredible people. Come and check these out, and come and check this machine out. You're not going to believe what you see. Thanks again, guys, for everything. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. So appreciate you guys doing that. It's huge. And we're going to check you guys out on the next video. Thanks for watching.